Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Huracan STO in Fortnite. This incredible supercar is a highly sought-after item, available periodically within the game's item shop. To add this sleek ride to your collection, you'll need to keep an eye on the shop's daily rotation. When it appears, you can purchase the complete bundle to unlock its stunning design and features for your in-game adventures. The Lamborghini Huracan STO bundle is packed with exciting items to customize your ride. It features the main car body, showcasing a carbon fiber finish and a powerful V10 engine sound. Additionally, you'll get several stylish decals, including flames, lightning, stripes, and wings to personalize your vehicle. The bundle also comes with two distinct sets of wheels, known as V1 and V2, completing your high-performance look. To purchase the Lamborghini Huracan STO bundle, you will need 3,500 V-Bucks. V-Bucks are Fortnite's in-game currency, which can be acquired by purchasing them with real-world money through the game's store. Make sure to have enough V-Bucks ready when this epic bundle makes its appearance in the item shop, as it is a premium item for true car enthusiasts. Once you've acquired the Lamborghini Huracan STO, head to your locker to equip it. You can then use this magnificent car body, along with its exclusive decals and wheels, across different Fortnite experiences, including rocket racing. If you already own this vehicle in Rocket League, it will automatically be available in your Fortnite locker, provided both games are linked to the same Epic Games account. Get ready to hit the road in style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.